Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Today we've got something rather interesting. This right here, Nissin Cup Noodles S'mores. I don't know. I really don't know. Here's what it looks like before it has been cooked. And as you can see, it's got little marshmallowy bits in it and stuff. So we're gonna do it up. I'm looking for, there it is. So we fill to the line with, what do you call it? Room temperature water. Right there. Okay. I don't think there's much to it. I feel like I'm doing what it's telling me to do. So I'm gonna put that there. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. There. So this one is weird because usually it's 4 minutes and let it stand for 1 minute when I've seen these cup noodle varieties like this. This is cooked for 3 minutes and let sit for 2, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. But we will see what happens on the flip side. But today is, it's hot. It's hot in here. I've been really kind of loath to do any cooking in here. All the heat in the house ends up here and runs to the pantry. I'm cooking in the kitchen. It's gross in here. It's nothing I'm enjoying. Nothing at all. But it'll be done soon. I really wish I didn't have to have the AC running. I mean, I could turn off the AC and I could really be sweaty. So, but yeah, I don't know. Just kind of bored. I mean, there's been like good opportunity for me to take my daughter and us to go out on like nice walks and stuff. Not so much right now because it is just really warm. Ooh, I don't want to use these utensils. There, we'll use this utensil. The other ones had chicken and seafood on them rather than s'more. So if you're not familiar, s'more is a combination of marshmallow and chocolate bar in the middle of a pair of graham crackers. So gross, but just too sweet. I don't understand that part. Oh, really? Oh, I think we're good. I think we're good. 44. Whoa, I'm watching it. It's going. It's going. Doing as it should, but it's boiling hot. I don't know. Maybe you can see. You want to see? Yeah, look at that. It's all blah, 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 blah. Look at it in there. Give it a sniff, Jim. Come on now. Schmers. But now it's got to have 2 minutes to chill out in the happiest microwave in the world. There we go. Got 2 minutes. So, what's been going on? A lot of politics, folks. A whole heck of a lot of politics. And I think November has started when these episodes. No, because this is going to be this is going to get released early. I wouldn't be surprised if this is coming out before the 20th of July. That's probably going to be more like it. But the next episode will probably come out about November 4th, which is my mom's birthday. Would have been my mom's birthday. She would have been, what? 35 today. She would have been almost 90. Wow. That's crazy. It's weird. It's weird. But, yeah. I'm very curious how this stuff is going to come out. It's either going to be somewhat good, somewhat horrible, or somewhat, I don't know what. I think that bowl's going to be too big, too. This is a situation that I run into a lot. Is like, is this going to be too big of a bowl? Is it going to be too deep because then you get the shadowing on it? I think I might on that, because I'm like looking at how much of liquid I had to put in the cup. I don't think it's going to be... I don't think it's going to work right. So I need another option. And I think we'll go with the safety dance bowl. We'll see. But it should be going off 15 seconds. Huh? We'll give it a try first. All right, so now we're gonna stir it. I heard some talk about it. I didn't want to really listen to too much because, you know, here's what we have. It smells very graham crackery, very s'moresy. I get where they're coming from with the odor. Definitely hot. I'm just ready to try this stuff. I don't know. I know a guy who did not like it, but he did like the pumpkin spice. It's very sweet. Interesting. It's not bad. What do you mean it's not bad? It's s'mores noodles. I'm like, yes, but for something you expected to have a s'mores and noodles flavor, this is what you get, and it makes sense. I can get with it. I'm trying to think what I could add to it to make it look more the part, and I think I know what I can do. I was thinking of like sandwiches in this in between the makings of s'mores and doing its own thing. I guess I could put a marshmallow, a Hershey Kiss, and a piece of graham cracker along the side. Would that be a reasonable garnish? I mean, it's not a reasonable product to begin with. This is simply unreasonable food. I thought there are supposed to be said items. Well, I can't find any of those items. They're all missing, so I will have to go and spend the time to do it. Honestly, I wish I had all that stuff because this looks really boring, but this is what it is. No, I'm not going to put any spring onions on it, but If you're looking for something that's a noodle that tastes like s'mores, that's what you're gonna get. Yeah. Anyways, there'll be more. I'll get other more of these, and I'll do something interesting with it. Maybe I'll make a pizza. No, I don't think so. I don't know. It's interesting, but I'm kind of underwhelmed. So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye. It's way too hot for this crap.